the spiel. To divide fractions, multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the fraction that follows the division sign. Then follow the steps as for multiplication. Well, that goes to arithmetic. If I had 2/3 divided by 1/5, what would I do? Flip the reciprocal of who? The second one. And multiply, right? Algebra is no different. So flip, multiply, factor, reduce. So the only difference is you got to flip before you do anything else. So here we go. 50x to the 11th, 30y to the 8th divided by. So before I do anything, although you might say, could I reduce out 50 and 30? The answer is yes. Could I reduce out 30 and 30? The answer is yes. So now I look at multiplying. It becomes a single problem. And because they're not terms, they're just factors, I can go right at it. 30 divides 30, so that takes each other out. Those are both ones. I've got 3 x's in the 3 y's in the numerator, 8 in a denominator. So I'm going to take 3 from those 8, leaving me with 5. 6 x's in the denominator, 11 in the numerator. And then I can take a 10 from 50 and 30. So what am I left with? This goes away. This has gone away completely. These are all ones. So it's going to be 5x to the 5th over 3y to the 5th. I try to stay away from making my y's with straight bars. Why do you think I try to stay away from this? So that it doesn't look like what? X's. So I try to put a little loopy thing on my y. These are all things I do to try to save myself from myself. Flip and multiply. Multiply. Now remember, these are all parentheses because it's more than one term. And that started right here with the parentheses. So in the numerator, the denominator is prime because you've got the z by himself and you have a z plus 9. And here is difference of squares. Z minus 9, z plus 9, z plus 7. By the way, I put a bar through my z so I don't confuse myself with 2's. This forms a 1. Do you see anything else it reduces out? Anything else reduce out? No. So you're left with z minus 9, z plus 7 over z. And I'd leave it that way. Now, I don't know what your book does. They may multiply it out, but I just leave it because the chances are pretty good I'd have to refactor it anyway. So until I know what I'm going to need to do with it, I leave it alone.